My name is Andrew Sawyer. I'm the GM at NexPac Corporation, and we've been around the Cambridge area since 2015, 2016 is when we started. And initially, we were in the industrial packaging industry, sort of supporting the local manufacturing and specialized packaging. Like we have taken a different turn in recent years, and so we got into warehousing and fulfillment and pick and pack, storage, and that's primarily the service that we offer now and the direction that the company has gone. We also have two sister companies through NexTrade, which we operate here in a facility in Cambridge and in Texas as well. And we are one of the largest global exporters of automotive seating coated fabrics. And we've got contracts with the manufacturers who make this, and we're able to clean that up for them. Kind of like a recycling program, and ship it all over the world to, mostly emerging markets, which, they're able to utilize for anything. And that's a great, complement to what we're able to offer. We made a switch in a time where we had to. We were having some severe challenges with our other provider, and we had to do so really quickly. Obviously, he was protecting his job, and he wanted to push us to a certain solution that kept us tied to hardware. And we, as a modern company, wanted to be on the cloud. And Sabre, they shared that vision with us, and versus him who didn't want us to be on the cloud at all. And the team at Sabre, one of the appeals when we started working with Rob and Crystal came on, was that they were able to make this transition as seamless as possible and make it happen right away. When we needed somebody just to take over and make it work and cover the gaps, and they did so greatly. I think the challenge of moving the entire office, that IT portion is not something that's top of our mind. We don't know what's involved, and so being able to reach out and describe, hey, we're moving our facilities this way, and your team just jumping on it and saying, okay, let's set up a meeting, let's work the steps that need to happen, let's go for a walkthrough, and organizing all of that and just taking care of it for us has been a major lifeline in this whole project. To be honest, I don't think too much of, maybe not as much as I should, about cybersecurity, and maybe that's a testament to how comfortable we feel with being with Sabre. Just knowing that all that monitoring is set up, that they're making sure our system is secure, and that we're not getting ourselves into trouble. I know there's some pretty nasty stuff out there, and I can't wrap my head around maybe some of the dangers that are right outside our doorstep, but I know that the team is working to make sure that they keep that at bay. With Sabre by our side as our IT partners, I sleep much better at night knowing that I don't have to deal with issues, and that everything is just being taken care of behind the scenes, and that we're supported. I can't reiterate enough, though, the value of having a system that's in place like Sabre has, to be able to manage the issues that our team might have. They can just pull up the chat and email a ticket to support. The monitoring that's set up, if there's issues or malware or phishing or anything like that, we get notified that, hey, there's something going on, we should look at this, or just let us know that it's been squashed. Just having that working in the background, allowing us to just focus on our core business, it's so valuable. I can't really put it in any other words. If you're still waiting on your IT professional to get back to you about a problem from last week, don't even think about it. Just make the switch. Have somebody who's available whenever you need it, answer a question, to solve a problem. It just makes life so much easier when you have that team behind you. I would 100% recommend Sabre.